Diwali is a festival of lights, usually lasting 5 days between mid-October and mid-November, and is one of the major festivals celebrated by Hindus, Jains, and Sikhs. One of the most popular festivals of Hinduism, Diwali symbolizes the spiritual victory of light over darkness, good over evil, and knowledge over ignorance. In the lead-up to Diwali, celebrants prepare by cleaning, renovating, and decorating their homes and workplaces with oil lamps called diyas and colorful art circle patterns called rangolis. During Diwali, people wear their finest clothes, illuminate the interior and exterior of their homes with diyas and rangoli, perform worship ceremonies of Lakshmi, the goddess of prosperity and wealth, light fireworks, and partake in family feasts where sweets and gifts are shared.